Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 132 of Building the Back to the Future Delorean, the add-on section. This time we are starting the new display base. We're starting the railroad tracks, not railroad tracks. Yes, it's quite big, but it's got to be for the car to fit onto it, hasn't it? So we're putting the ends onto there, some screws holding that together, keeping these bits for later, and that's what we're starting. We're going to have, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these in total, obviously, and some long rails as well. So that's that for the building part. We're still looking at what Zemeckis did next. Of Science and Solitude, 27. Very ambitious and very different projects. I'm aware of those as well, but you can read all the words if you like and get up to date on it. Yeah, there we go. All the things that he did. Well, not all of them yet, but we're getting there. Castaway. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I remember that one. Joanna Johnson, who was that? Costumes for the Future and the Past. There we go. Next issue, some more railroad stuff. So all good stuff there. So let's start it off. So these are the parts. They are all plastic. I think the rails themselves are metal, but these are meant to be wood, obviously. All we basically need to do is put that on there like so. And that one on there like so. And there are 4 screws that will go through and hold it all together. These are being used later. Next issue is more railroad stuff. So it might be that we're doing them next time. It might be that it's the time after or somewhere down the line. I'm not entirely certain. I haven't cheated and looked that far ahead. I've looked a little bit ahead, but not very, very far. So these are going to go through here and hold it all together. I'll put them in. I shall tighten them up off camera. Got out too many screws. I always get out one too many. I don't always. Sometimes I get it just right and I feel all proud because I've guessed the right number of screws just by tipping it out. But this time I have one too many. So I shall put that back in the bag and leave it aside for next time when I might need to come back to the spares pack. So yeah, that's what we've got. It's obviously this is the wheelbase for that, and it's just going to build up to be quite substantial. So it's quite nice. Yeah. So stick around for more. I shall see you very soon. Let me pop that back in the bag so we know which one it is if I do need it down the line. I'm guessing these are going to go. No, I'm guessing. I have no clue as to where they're going to go, so I won't even bother trying. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more tracks and box action. Bye bye for now.